Hey, what's up, guys, and welcome to the Sunday analysis. And we have 4 pairs we're going to check out today. But before that, let's firstly go to the DXY, because the 4 pairs we're going to be analyzing today are all based on USD pairs. So let's firstly go to the DXY. Firstly, as you know, we're in a new month, so it won't be nice if we don't go to the other time frame firstly, because that's what's going to predict what's going to happen in other USD pair this month and firstly in the next week. So firstly, as you can see, what it looks like, it looks like it's continuing back to the upside, though we don't know if it's going to break out of this thing, but we are surely going to hit this spot right here at 106.908. So before that, as you know, candles create wicks first, so I want us to be patient and wait for the wick to happen first. So what will happen is it's gonna sell, right, guys? So it's gonna sell. Once it sell and create the wick, what we should be looking for is to buy, not in the XY, but in pairs like USD CAD or USD CHF. We'll buy low and then take our profit once the monthly time frame has hit here. Do it won't do that first. So firstly, we're expecting a sell firstly, for a sell to happen on the monthly time frame before the buy in the monthly time frame. So firstly, let's go to AUD and look at how we could take and make profits out of this pair. As you know, we are looking for more buys on the DXY, which means more sells on AUD. But before that, it's going to create a wick, and a wick in the monthly time frame of DXY is down, which means a wick in the monthly time frame of AUD is up. All right, guys. So I'm going to be looking for up move first before the real move that's going to go down. So I've drawn this trend line right here. We have one touch right here. Could add this one, but it's very close, but we're not going to add it. We're going to use this one, second touch. So let's expect a touch on AUD. Trade it probably up here, take profit here, and we'll be done, and wait for the sales to happen back on AUD. It could break out of here and break out to maybe right here 0.67 is a nice spot to start the selling, because as you know, the DXY is going to keep pushing up, so we want to also make more sales. But firstly, we want to break out of this range firstly, so that's what I'm thinking. So firstly, let's look for a buy from the AUD right here and then sell it downwards more. So that's all for AUD, guys, but just pay attention to all these zones and the breakout of this zone. We took a sell entry from right here. Last week we took a sell entry from right here. We just made quick 40 to 50 pips, guys, and it was really nice. So on GPUSD, guys, I'm expecting, like we said, we are expecting more sales, but before that a buy will happen. And obviously you can see the trend line. You could obviously see that a sell could not just happen in the blink of an eye. It could happen, but it can't just happen. So we're expecting a buy first. All right, guys, we're expecting a buy first, and before the buy will be created, it could go immediately, just like I said, on AUD, or it could go lower right here, guys. It could go lower. In USD CAD, as you can see, we have created multiple touches on this trend line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. So now, according to what I said, that we're looking for a buy in the DXY, all right, and it's going to create a low first. So that's what we should be looking out for in USD CAD. Instead of GBP we are looking for a sell entry, but this one we're looking for a buy entry. All right, guys, so that's what we're looking for now. And where can we get it from? I think this trend line is done. It has done multiple touches. I think it's not longer valid. So I'm thinking, and I'm thinking it could probably touch here, create another touch, and then we'll probably go higher. Or we could look for more lows, psychological level 1.3600. Yeah, right there. Also, like this one, could use this one, could use this support also. Just put that and map that down on your chart, and let's look at how it will do next week. Here's this HF, as you can see, it's a very steady pair and doesn't give any stress. So, like I said, the DXY is going to create a wick firstly downward before the continuation to the upside. Alright, so same thing as USD CHF is going to create a wick downward in the monthly time frame and then push higher. So before you create that downward movement, what do we expect? How can you make that downward movement? As you can see, we have 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touch in this trend. Let me make it touch very well. Yeah, right here, nicely done. So let's expect maybe a possibility of it eating, yeah, making a third touch, go down, and then take our profit before it hit down here. Alright guys, before it down here. I don't think it will hit down here, but we'll see on Monday the way it does. But I'm predicting a buy to this side, a touch, enter, we take our profit, and then the buy continues in the monthly time frame.